Vocabulary talkative, a person who talks too much, that we call talkative. Next we have eccentric. Eccentric mean unusual and different from others. Next we have cheerful, a person who is always happy and full of energy. So that kind of person we called cheerful. Indecisive, a person unable to make a final decision. So that we call indecisive. Next we have clumsy. Clumsy mean a person who always breaks things. Anxious. Anxious mean apprehensive or worries about something. Assertive. Assertive mean a person who looks confident. So that kind of person we call assertive. Next we have charming. Charming mean attractive. Attractive. Cynical. Cynical mean a person who does not really believe others. Next we have that is egoistic. Egoistic means self-centered. A person who always puts themselves first. Gullible. Gullible mean a new person. Self-conscious. Self-conscious mean a person who is well aware of their character and problems. Sensible. Sensible mean understanding others and their emotions.